Dear students, what topic? Operators. An operator is a symbol that instructs C compiler to perform some operations or action on one or more operands. Operators are used in program to manipulate data and variables. Consider the following statements. Here A plus B. This would add the contents of the two variables A and B. The plus symbol in this statement is called operator, and operation perform is addition, like A plus B. Operation perform is addition. Since A and B are the variables, on whom the operations is performed, they are called operands. The combination of both of the operator and the operands is known as expression. So that expression in this case is the entire statement A plus B. Operators can be classified into following types: arithmetic operator, relational operator, logical operator, assignment operators, bitwise operator, other operators. Arithmetic operator. In C language provides all the basic arithmetic operators. In these operators can operate any standard data types allowed in C language. There are listed like addition, like plus, minus, multiplication, division and modulus. Like plus symbol, like addition 2 plus 3 equal to 5. Subtraction 3 minus 2 equal to 1, like 2 into 3, like multiplication 2 into 3 equal to 6. And a division symbol like 10 by 2 equal to 5. Modulus 20 by 10 like equal to 0. Here the modulus value is like remainder value can be taken like 0. Arithmetic operator. Relational operators. The relational operators are used to check the condition. If the condition is non-zero, internally it returns 1 that indicates condition is true. If it is 0, it indicates it's a false conditions. Okay. Operators like less than operator, greater than operator, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, not equal to, like 2 less than 3, 4 greater than 3, like 2 less than or equal to 2, 5 greater than or equal to 5, 6 equal to 6, like 6 not equal to 8. So these are the examples of relational operators. Okay. Next one is logical operators. The logical operator also returns either 0 or 1, depends on the condition. We can be contained with relational operator. We can be combined with relational operators. Here AND operator, OR operator, and NOT operator. Like AND operator example, 5 greater than 4 and 4 greater than 5. Like 5 greater than or 4 greater than 5. Okay. So these are logical operators. Other operators here: unary minus, ternary conditional operator, like question and colon, question mark mode and colon mode, like comma operator. These are other operators. Okay.